Hey guys, we're here to make a little video. Let's see, we got a Kenwood kac-9106d. Just pulled this out of a Chevy Express van. Had it on two 13.5 W3s. Had it on two 15 WOs before that. Was able to O-scope it out. It would make anywhere from 12 to 1400 watts depending on the signal. I had a 5-volt input going into it. AGM battery, voltage drop was only to 13.2. Actually did have the amp shut off on overload once or twice. Just upgraded, or not upgrade, I already had it, but put in a Tar Amps HD 5000 on those two subs. Definitely had a volume increase. They're doing about 1800 watts now. Hoping not to cook the coils too hard on them, but we'll find out. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, no fan. Has the hole for the fan, but nothing's in there. I don't know. I like the layout, but what are this capacitor ratings? 100 volt, 50 farad. Oh no, that's 1500 farad. Okay. Not too bad then. Kind of interesting how there's a bunch of these small ones and then only 4 of the bigger ones. Well, alright. Really enjoyed this amp over the years. Got it for like 120 bucks manufacturer refurbished. Definitely recommend.